we thought we'd make a quick video as we can't find anything online ourselves. We've been having problems with the hot water system for a while now, and we checked everything else, and the last thing we checked was this, what I would call a pressure pot. Adds additional pressure to the hot water supply. Imera, made in Italy, so that's good because we're in Italy at the moment, so if we do need to get a new bladder. But what happened was, when our water ran out, it created a vacuum and it caused this bladder to be sucked. You can still see the bit of creases here, and there should be a marking somewhere where it was actually stuck against the filter. Now it's gone. But yeah, here it is, see? That was sucked up against here. You see? And the bladder basically collapsed with the vacuum. It pulled it all in, see? There it is. And it was basically like this inside. And so the pump wouldn't refill it. So what I've done, I took it all apart, I took the bladder out. And when you take the bladder out, you'll feel a bit of air coming out. That's because it's a pressurized system. And I just filled it up with hot water. I left it standing in a cup for 10 minutes for the water to 10-15 minutes to let the water cool down. So hopefully when it goes back in, it will stay, if it hasn't been there too long, in its original shape. So we're going to put this back in here. We'll top it up with water. We'll seal it back onto the hot water system, and then we'll repressurize it. At the top here, under here, there should be just a normal bicycle car tyre inner tube inflator. Once you get it all on, and the water inside, so here, just a normal car inflator valve. Put your pump on there and just pump it up to 3 bar, and hopefully it should work. Put your bladder back in. No, it should go, yeah, see now it's gone back to its original shape. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh yeah.
You know. And this is your seal as well. So it's probably best to get them lined up before you do this. But I'll do it the hard way. There you go. Push that down.
Oh, you mean you lined up those cuts?
Yeah,
with,
because that's where your bolts are going to go back through. That's good enough.
Oh my god, I might have a proper pressure shower later on.
I think you will. And just put your bolts back through. And that will create the seal. Quite a simple system. Actually, it's very good. I like it. Obviously nothing ever lines up again, which is normal, so don't worry about that. And these bolts are actually quite tight when I took them off.
Well, it's good then, isn't it?
Yeah. So you can do them up as tight as you can, these ones.
While you're doing this, I'll quickly show our view.
And now
Do you want me to hold?
should fill with water.
You're doing a good job. The boat is moving.
Yeah, I'm using hot water again. So gives the bladder a chance to expand. Because you have to stop every now and again. Let the air come out. Probably won't fill it right up because you're going to get water come out when you connect it back up to the hose. Just spins on. Rubber seal. This goes over the top like that. And then I pulled this off, but if I was going to do it again, I'd leave that on. It's a lot easier when you refit it. Now, come down here. This is where you get your water spillage.
Hold on, let me take this away.
Yep.
Oh, that's where that big lid went.
Big lid?
Yeah, I found the big lid.
Yeah, there's the big lid. Oh, see, dropped it already.
Dropped what?
The rubber seal.
Oh.
So, I'm going to put it in there.
Oh, that's gonna be tricky.
Yeah. But it's 50-50. You're going to get, like I said, you're going to have water come out of the hose. And I'm going to try and spin it on. Somehow. About to get into... No.
Well, there must be a little bit of water left.
Yeah, not a lot, but the pump will fill it up. So now we fill it with a pump, and then we pressurise it.
Okay.
So if we turn the hot tap on, it should pump water into there. This time. It just moved, so.
Oh, water starts coming up here.
Put it here as well.
Okay, so
Turn the pump off. Now that is full of water. Okay. So now we're going to pressurise it. Maybe you need a new bladder. So what we're going to do now, we're going to run the engine, get the water hot. So the water in here will expand because this is the only place in the system that allows expansion. So as the water gets hot, this balloon inside here will expand. Once it's expanded to its max, then we'll put the pressure, air pressure, inside the tank, which creates pressure on the bladder. Gives you an extra bit of pressure inside your hot water system. So let's run the engine. Okay, so we've got the water hot, the bladder's hot. We heard a sort of, this moved. So I know the bladder moved. If yours doesn't move, don't worry. Just go ahead and pump it up. So now we're going to put the pressure inside the pot. I'm going to take it up to 3 bar. Or 2.5 would be enough, but 3. They say 3, but 2.5 is adequate. So I'm just going to go to 2.5 for now and see what happens. You can hear the pressure, see? Okay, 2.5 bar. And when we turn the hot water on, there we go.
yes! Hallelujah! Well done.
So,
Oh,
mystery solved. You can have a
Oh,
pressurised shower tonight.
nice.
Yes.
Fantastic. Well done.
And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody out, the reason for doing these videos, because we couldn't find anywhere. And if you did enjoy this video, please check out some of our other episodes. You'll find them on our channel. So, well, good luck with your water systems.